Here's some news that may impact you specifically, Will. Apparently, you know these guys, Patently Apple, who they patrol Apple patents, patrol what's that coming down the pipeline, all the rest of it. They were investigating a recent alteration to a particular patent in relationship to Final Cut Pro, and they noticed a change which may indicate that Final Cut Pro could switch to a subscription model.
Ugh. That's not fun. It's going through the ways of Adobe. Yeah, not fun.
Software as a subscription service.
Uh-huh.
Does that make you tingle?
Not tingle, but it gets me heated up. It grinds my gears.
Whoa. Anyway, this is not for certain, but I have to be honest right now. Final Cut Pro, the fact that it's like $300 and the fact that you just own it after that, I think plays a big role in how we utilize it.
Sure.
A big role in how a lot of people approach getting a Mac in the first place for video editing purposes. I think I agree with you. It'd be unfortunate, but Apple is continuing to become this services company, continue to try to figure out ways to, increase profit margins and all the rest of it.
How much do you think it would cost a month?
Well, there's a couple of suggestions here in the article, 9 to 5 Mac. Some of them are, hey, maybe you still can buy the thing, but then there will be some cloud component you can subscribe to.
Okay.
Because Adobe has that feature in their subscription service where you can collaborate or something on a file and everything, all the edits, everything lives in the cloud. So maybe it's some extra feature for Final Cut Pro editors that you can subscribe to. That would be better than changing the whole thing to subscription. Also, maybe your Final Cut Pro is okay, but future versions are subscriptions. Or maybe you need a subscription to get the updates or the most recent version. Or what would the last one be? Oh, one of those freemium models, certain features in the app. So everybody, the $300 version, you get the base level, basic version of Final Cut Pro, and then the subscription unlocks extra features within the app. This is all speculation at the moment. Maybe nothing happens, but it would be surprising for them to make this deliberate modification. Let's see what they say at the end here. Although the move does appear to be a very deliberate one, that doesn't mean Apple has any current plans to change its business model, but does suggest it is at least seriously considering the possibility. If you've been on the fence about buying it, now might be a good time to make a decision. The last, get in while you can for life. But I suppose, I don't know, they could just cut us off too. I don't know.
Yeah, maybe.
Because you would have to update it at some point, I'm guessing.